Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a project share for you. This is what I made with Luisa on Wacky Wednesday on her channel. So if you missed the live, go check out Luisa's channel on YouTube. My Crafty Boutique Co. I'll leave her link in the description box below. And let's get into it. So in a previous video, I shared that Luisa has a cut file to create this little closet wardrobe type cut file. I decorated this on them Crafty Girls Sunday Live. So if you want to see that part, you could go over to Ebony's channel and the Crafty Girl here on YouTube also. So today on Wacky Wednesday, I created some of the wardrobe because I did not get to go to Walmart or Hobby Lobby. So I figured, let me craft the clothes. And I use felt and some paper clips. And let me just put a little bit of glue on this Mrs. Claus hanger. I use some paper clips to create the hangers, and yeah, I basically freehand. Oh gosh, that hurt. That was hot. I freehand all the patterns for the clothes, so it's not going to be perfect. It's all handmade. So the first one I made was the Santa suit and his pants, and this is how I did it, guys. So you just take some printer paper, create a pattern, and it doesn't have to be exact, you know, because if you make it and then you change your mind on the size, you could just, you know, cut, freehand cut that. And so that's what I did with the Santa suit. So this was the original pattern, and you can see it's a little bit longer for the shirt, and same with the pants. I cut it just a little longer. And the belt, everything you see here is all freehand. And if you go check out Luisa's live from today, from Wednesday, I made this while we were live. Okay, so for the dress for Mrs. Claus, I drew out pretty much the same, the shirt, and then I just thought, okay, maybe I need to make it a little longer. But then when I went to go cut it, I made it even a little bit more longer because it is a dress. So I did that. I used the same kind of method to decorate it. There's, whoops, felt for the trim. Whoop. The buckles are a little different, but these are freehand buckles. I just took the paper. This is a gold scrap piece of paper. I wanted the buckle to be gold, so I drew it on the back. Literally just drew a square, what size I wanted my buckle, and then I drew the U shape, and that's what it looks like. And I just took my Dollar Tree X-Acto knife and cut it out really slowly because it's small. I just took my time, and that's how I made the first buckle, and then I went and made the second buckle, and you could see there. And so their tops look similar. Mrs. Claus is a little longer, and I also added some trim from my stash, and literally this is all that's left of that lace trim. The paper clips are Dollar Tree paper clips. They're the large size paper clip, and I made this one first, and I was like, oh, I don't like the way the green looks, so I changed it to red. And let me actually see this little tip right here. The plastic coating on these paper clips, when you bend it and you keep manipulating it, it wants to come off. So, you know, just take your time. And yeah. So there is my hanger. Now I had to glue it to keep it in place, but this is what the size of the hanger that I made. That's what it looks like, and has a long neck so that it could go around the straw. So it looks like this. You can see that right there. So just wanted to make sure it was able to go around the straw. And so now these all fit. Her dress I just left open. So the way I made these things, I put 2 pieces of felt together and placed the pattern on top, and then I cut the pattern, cut around the pattern, the paper pattern. And then I just use hot glue. I was thinking of using my sewing machine, but my sewing machine is not set up yet still. So I just used hot glue and glued everything together. So the dress looks like this. And then I put her in here, and look at that. You see how she hangs there? It's really cute. The pants, I did the same thing, and then my suspenders were a little too long, so I had to undo it a few times, so it's looking kind of sloppy. You know, I mean, it is sloppy, but that's okay. Trying to make my hanger a little straighter, but it works. The hanger works, and you get the idea. Just hot glue and felt. I did the same thing with the pants, just hot glue on the edges and hot glued the pant cuff, right? And so this one also goes in just like that. And so does his Santa coat. And we were joking on the live, like this, the Santa, bad Santa, the bad Santa, Santa Claus. But if you put it together, I think he's cute. Look at this. A great embellishment, a really sturdy embellishment. But nonetheless, it's a cute little outfit. And I think what I will add to this while I'm here, I do have some Santa hats in my embellishment box right here. Or is it in a different box? Yeah, it's in a different... Okay, hold on. Let's get those Santa hats. I want to put the Santa hats in our little closet. So here we go. We have 1 and 2. And there's a different style, this one. But I think, yeah, I think I'm going to go with this one. Since it's only Santa's suit, right? Should I add this to it? What do you guys think? How should I add this? Hold on, this pom-pom is about to fall off. Okay. I'm trying not to burn myself. Okay. I guess that is the hat I'm going to go with for Santa's suit. It looks about the right size. But anyway, yeah. These little... Now if I had boots, if I had a way to make the boots, I would make the boots too. Or should I just let him clip on? Anyway, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add this hat somehow, or probably add it onto its own hanger. Like that, or like this. We could figure that out later, but this is what I made with Luisa on our Wacky Wednesday live. You guys, please, if you want to catch all our lives, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell on Luisa's channel and on my channel, because you never know when we go live. So there you go, into the Santa closet, and I'll probably figure out what to do with those. But that is it, guys. Let me just grab these out so I can show you what they all came out to look like. And there there's our Santa and Mrs. Claus. Alrighty. Isn't that cute? I think it's so cute. There we go. And all we used were some felt, some Nuvo drops, some paper cardstock, and some paper clips. And we turned our whole Christmas outfit. It's so cute. Oh my goodness. All right. Thanks again for watching. If you're new here, welcome. Hit the notification bell while you're there. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all next time. Bye.